Welcome. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to view sent emails on the Gmail app step by step. Whether you're checking if a message went through or just reviewing something you wrote earlier, this quick guide will show you everything you need to know in just a few moments. Let's get you started. First, grab your phone and open the Gmail app. You'll recognize it by the familiar red and white envelope icon. Once it's open, you'll see your inbox, the place where all your incoming emails appear. Now, to look at the emails you've sent, you'll need to access a specific section inside the app. Tap the menu icon, which looks like three horizontal lines, usually located in the top left corner of your screen. This will open up a side panel with a list of options, things like primary, promotions, drafts, and of course, sent. Next, simply tap on sent. Once you do, the app will instantly display every email you've sent from this Gmail account. You can scroll through the list to find the email you're looking for. If you need to open one, just tap on it and the full message will appear. Here you can double check the recipient, read your message, or review attachments to make sure everything was sent correctly. And that's it, you've successfully navigated to your sent folder in Gmail. It's that simple. The great thing is, you can do this anytime and from any device where you have the Gmail app installed, whether it's Android or iPhone. Before you go, here's a quick tip. If you use multiple accounts, make sure you're viewing the correct one. Just tap your profile picture at the top right, switch to the account you need, and repeat the same steps. Now, you know exactly how to check all your sent emails in Gmail. No confusion, no extra steps, just a quick, easy solution right at your fingertips.